So what is Python? Well, Python is a type of programming language. It's used by people all over the world to tell computers what to do. It's known for being simple, easy to read, and really powerful. If you're just starting out with coding, Python is one of the best languages you can learn. It helps you focus on solving problems, not just memorizing rules. Hello, you are about to learn a new skill. This skill is called programming. It is like teaching a computer to do things for you. We will use a language called Python. Python is a programming language. Think of it like a human language, such as English or Spanish. But instead of talking to people, you use it to talk to computers. You give the computer instructions. The computer follows your instructions exactly. This is what programming is all about. It is a powerful way to make the computer work for you. You are in control. Why should you learn Python? There are many reasons. Python is very popular. Many people use it all over the world. This is good for you. It means there are many books, websites, and videos to help you learn. You can find help easily if you get stuck. Python is also known for being easy to read. Its code looks a lot like plain English. This makes it a great language for beginners. You do not need to be a math genius or a computer expert to start. You just need to be curious and willing to try new things. Python was created to be simple. The person who made Python wanted it to be fun to use. He named it after a comedy show, not the snake. This spirit of fun and simplicity is still part of Python today. When you write Python code, you will use simple words. Words like and. These words tell the computer what to do. You will not see a lot of confusing symbols or strange rules. This makes your first steps into coding much less scary. It lets you focus on the ideas, not on memorizing complex syntax. So get ready to start your journey. Learning to code with Python is like learning a superpower. You can make the computer do almost anything you can imagine. It might seem like a lot at first, but we will take it one small step at a time. Do not worry about knowing everything at once. The most important thing is to start. By the end of this, you will have written your very own computer program. Let's begin this exciting adventure together and see what we can create. You are now on your way to becoming a programmer. Now let's talk about what you can do with Python. Python is used for so many things, like building websites, analyzing data, making games, automating tasks, and even controlling robots. Big companies use Python to create apps and solve real-world problems. Whether you want to work with artificial intelligence, create cool projects, or just have fun exploring, Python can help you get there. The possibilities are almost endless, and it all starts with learning the basics. You might be wondering what Python is used for. The answer is almost everything. It is a very versatile language. That means it can be used to build many different kinds of things. For example, have you ever played a simple computer game? You can build one using Python. It could be a guessing game, a text adventure, or even a game with simple graphics. You can create the rules, the characters, and the story. You are the creator of your own little world. It's a fun way to learn and see your code come to life. Python is also very popular for building websites. Big companies that you know use Python. Companies like Instagram, Spotify, and Netflix use it for their websites and services. Python helps their websites do smart things, like recommend a new song or movie for you. It works behind the scenes, talking to databases and handling user information. While you won't build the next Instagram overnight, you can learn to create simple web pages and applications. You can make a personal blog or a site that shows the weather. Python makes web development accessible to everyone. Another huge area where Python shines is data science. This sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. We have a lot of data in the world. Data science is about understanding that data. Python has special tools that help people look at large amounts of information. You can use it to find patterns, make predictions, and create cool charts and graphs. Scientists use it to analyze experiment results. Businesses use it to understand what their customers want. You could even use it to analyze your own spending habits or track your scores in a game. Beyond these examples, Python is used in many other fields. It helps artists create digital art. It helps engineers control robots and machines. It is used to automate boring tasks, which is one of my favorite things to do. Imagine writing a program that can sort all your files for you, or a program that downloads information from the web automatically. With Python, you can build your own tools to make your life easier. The possibilities are truly endless. What you build is limited only by your imagination and your willingness to learn new things. It is time to write your first program. This is a big moment for every new programmer. We will make the computer say, "Hello world." This is a tradition. It is a simple program that shows you have everything set up correctly. It proves that you can write code and make the computer respond. To do this, you need a place to write your Python code. You can use a simple text editor and run the code from the command line. Or you can use an online Python interpreter. Websites like Replit or Trinket let you write and run code right in your browser. The code itself is very simple. It is just one line. Are you ready? Here it is. That's it. Let's break this down. Is a command or a function in Python. It tells the computer to display something on the screen. The parentheses after are where you put the thing you want to display. In this case, we want to display the text, "Hello world." In programming, a piece of text like this is called a string. We put quotation marks around the text to tell Python that it is a string. Now you need to run this program. If you are using an online tool, there is usually a run button. Click it. If you are running it on your own computer, you save the file with the extension like. Then you open your command line, navigate to the file, and type. When you run it, you should see the words appear on your screen. Congratulations! You have just written and executed your first Python program. You have given the computer an instruction, and it obeyed. This is the core of programming. Take a moment to celebrate this success. It might seem small, but it is a huge step. You have crossed the bridge from being someone who just uses computers to someone who can command them. You can try changing the program. Change the text inside the quotation marks. Make it say your name, or Python is fun. Run the program again and see the new output. Play with it. This is how you learn. By trying things, seeing what happens, and making small changes, you are now officially a programmer. Now that you can things, let's learn about another key idea: variables. A variable is like a box or a container. You can put information inside it. You give the box a name so you can find it later. For example, you can create a variable named and put your name in it. The code would look like this. Now the variable holds the string Alice. Later, you can use this variable. You could write. The computer would look inside the box and print whatever it finds there. In this case, it would print Alice. Variables are very useful. They let you store information and use it many times. You can change what's inside a variable too. That's why it's called a variable. Its contents can vary. You could write, and then later, the variable would now hold Bob. We can store more than just text. We can store numbers too. For example, notice that for numbers, we do not use quotation marks. Variables make our programs flexible and powerful. They are one of the most important building blocks in programming. We have talked about output, which is what does. It sends information out from the program to the user. But what about input? How can we get information from the user into the program? We can do this with another function call. When your program runs the function, it will pause and wait. It waits for the user to type something and press the enter key. Whatever the user types is then captured by the program. You can store this information in a variable. For example, let's combine these ideas. You can write a short program that asks for a user's name and then says hello to them. It would look like this. First line, second line. When you run this, the program will first print "Please enter your name." Then it will wait. You type your name and press enter. The program stores your name in the variable. Then it prints hello, followed by the name you entered. This makes your program interactive. It's no longer just talking, it's having a conversation.